So far we have been solving equations, quadratic equations, and finding their roots. Now a converse question before us. Roots are given, equation is called for. The roots are given, the values of x are given, and the equation is required. See, for example, here the quadratic equation in standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Divide by a, x square plus b by a, x plus c by a is equal to 0. Rewrite x square minus of minus b by a, x plus c by a is equal to 0. And you know minus b by a is sum of the roots. And you know c by a is product of the roots. So let us say a standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c can be put in the form x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. Thus, any time roots are given and the equation is called for, we will use x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. Let us go for a few examples. I am solving the second one, please see. The equation whose roots are m by n and minus n by m is method is here x square minus sum of the roots into x, and here x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. Let us simplify. Take LCM here, LCM is mn, m square minus n square, and this is minus 1. M by n into minus n by m is minus m. So, I can put it like this, I can leave it like this, or better to simplify. Mn x square minus m square n square x minus mn is equal to 0. I want to tell you once again, you can as well leave the answer in this form, x square minus m square minus n square by mn x minus 1 is equal to 0, or should you like to simplify, don't want to keep the fraction, you can put it like this. I am solving one more question of these, the third one itself. See here. A root being 7 minus 2 root 5. You know in the quadratic equation x square x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root. So this part will be always in plus or minus. Since one root is 7 minus 2 root 5, obviously another root will be 7 plus 2 root 5. Look here. Since 7 minus 2 root 5 is a root, therefore 7 plus 2 root 5 will be the other root. Now the two roots are available. Use this formula, x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0 to reach the equation required. The quadratic required is now x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. have a quick review. Since 7 minus 2 root 5 is a root, evidently 7 plus 2 root 5 will be the other root. The quadratic equation required is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. Being simplified, please concentrate on simplification. Need not explain that simplification, you follow it yourself. X square minus here minus 14x plus 49, 2 root 5 whole square you know is 20, square of 2 is 4, square of root 5 is 5, 4 into 5 20. Or let us conclude here, x square minus 14x plus 29 is equal to 0. Not necessary to solve many questions, I want to solve just one more question here. One of the roots being minus 3 plus 5i. The fourth one, please see. Since minus 3 plus 5i is a root given, therefore minus 3 minus 5i is the other root. Now you have two roots, use that formula, x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. The equation required is x square minus sum of the roots minus 3 plus 5i plus minus 3 minus 5i into x plus product of the roots minus 3 plus 5i into minus 3 minus 5i is equal to 0. X square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. Simplification you must watch. I don't want to explain that simple work. And so also here, this is difference of two squares, that is a square minus b square. So proceeding. 5i getting cancelled, this is plus 6x plus 9 minus 25i square. This is 9 minus 25i square. I am proceeding, please see here. X square plus 6x plus 9 plus 25 is equal to 0. Note I square is equal to minus 1, hence it is plus 25. Or shall we conclude x square plus 6x plus 34 is equal to 0. Though there is no need here to say, yet please remember I stands for root of minus 1. Hence, I square is minus 1 and I cube is minus I and I power 4 is plus 1. Also, I power a multiple of 4 is equal to 1. For example, I power 40, it will be straight written as 1. I is equal to minus root of minus 1, I square is minus 1, I cube is minus I power 4 is I. Please remember all these, they will be used anywhere. Lastly, don't wrongly say the value of I is root of minus 1. It is not the value, it's a notation. There is no value for I. It is like the value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.141216 etc. or any other such number. I is equal to root of minus 1 is merely a notation. It is not the value of I. We substitute I root of minus 1 for the sake of convenience, for the sake of simplification, for the sake of quick working or convenient working. We write I for minus 1. And therefore, I square becomes minus 1 and I cube becomes minus I power 4 becomes 1 and hence I power any multiple of 4 will also be 1.